active na active yan sa Team Live. How much more na ito nga lang nandito tas may special guest, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, shoutout ko lang. Ito po yung mga taong nagpa-possible po ng success ng block screening na dinaluhan na Kai at Rain ko. Alam niyo lang po yung mga behind the scenes na nangyari. Hindi po kayo maniniwala kung ano yung mga yung mga back and forth na nangyari, pero we made it happen kasi one of the special requests was to make sure to reschedule it para po sabay silang pumunta. So again, Auntie Jane, shout out. Also to the other admins, I'm gonna go and just like try my best here to pronounce all of your handles or your ano tawag dito yung mga names nyo sa expo, okay? Made for Kyrain, Soshu, Kyrain Homies Worldwide, and of course our head engagement, Kriza Kea, head accounting, Judy Ann. Si head accounting po siya po yung bahala sa Team Ambagan. So shout out din po sa mga Team Ambagan, sa mga tao nag-contribute to make sure the block screening is a success. And of course, we have Head Team Live at the CHIEN. Kasama na rin dyan si Joe na alam ko sa mga videos na human ways. The human ways.
I can hear Rain sa ate CHIEN.
Ano daw?
Naririnig ko tuloy si Rain pag sa ate CHIEN, pati si ate ate Bade CHIEN na din tanong sa akin.
Every time pag nag-uusap ako, pag kinakausap ko si Ate Chin sa sa DM or sa replies, Ate CHIH, pinispell ko. Sabi sa akin, Rain ka ba? We have our committee team, head PR, yours truly po yun. Our recruitment, Insan Nicto, Jeff Moody, more accounting kasi po marami po tayong kailangan na mga contributions na nagpapa-successful po sa atin. So that's Chicken, who's also here from California. I'm not sure if she's here with us right now. Kasi medyo maaga pa po. And also we have engineer Gia and our committee team engagement, Kaiulan PBB, Obi Desu, Ren AKR, Kyrain AAA, editorial Luki, Kayla, website team that is headed by RK. Hello po. And of course, shout out din sa ating team and other branches. Team No Pills, Team Delulubog, Team Abroad Super Kidlat, and Rationatics. Ang dami po natin. So hello po sa inyong lahat.
Father Greg.
Yes po.
Greg, can I butt in?
Yes po.
Kai, andito na daw si Kai.
Andito na si Kai. Okay.
Yes. Let's do the honor of
I'll introduce.
welcoming our very special guest.
Teka lang po. Is there any way po that Kai can go up and request to speak po so that we can hear her voice?
Kai, can you request para mag-speak so we can listen to you for whatever message you wanna give to the homies and everyone. Actually, I think this is not just the homies, but a lot of other CVs and other fandoms are here.
I'm
And
pretty sure
solids are
Solids are
here.
here as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Aantayin ko lang po si Kai mag-up and then I'm going to go ahead and just sorry po. Okay, here we go. Excited na ba kayo? Teka lang, nakita ko na yun eh. Ladies and gents, homies, everyone, it is our absolute honor to introduce the other half of the dynamic duo that we know and love as Kyrain. The beautiful, the talented, our very special guest tonight. Palakpakan po mga kaibigan, Kai Montinola!
Woo!
Hello!
Hi,
Can
Kai.
everyone hear me?
Yes, loud and clear, Keisha.
Hello! What's up? Oh yeah, by the way, Rain was supposed to attend pero nilalagnat kasi si Rain right now. So, hindi siya magpapag-join.
Rest na lang po muna.
Yeah, I told her to rest na lang. So, anyway, well, you have me, guys, the other half.
Yes,
The other
of course.
half.
Hello.
No other than. Hi, Kai. How are you?
Hello, I'm doing well. Today is my tambay day. Rest lang. Rest lang today. Walang ganapabos.
Napakaswerte naman
Oh,
pala natin.
thank you for for allotting your tambay day with the homies
Of course.
space.
How are
Yes,
you
And
guys?
we're we're doing well. Thank you very much.
Oh.
I am I'm trying to keep myself safe here. It's a lot of like heavy winds here in Southern California, but I'm doing well. Thank you.
Well, that's
Very
nice to know. At least everyone's is going, very well today.
I don't know, Kai.
um
I think Kai just entered. So kanina I was actually just welcome everybody, and then also I just mentioned to them yung mga recent ganaps niyo ni Rain. So lalo na yung guesting mo sa
Mm.
ASAP. You did so well. You
Ah!
slayed. Oh my
You guys
gosh.
like that? You guys liked it.
Of course.
super
Finally nakakanta, no?
What kind of
ng
question is
live.
that? Finally nakakanta ng live yung sino? Yung singing gwapa ng Cebu.
Yes.
Yes, it was an honor to sing live sa I Want ASAP. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that.
Absolutely. Both the duet with
Mm-hmm.
Jaren and the solo
Mm-hmm.
performance. Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
And
And Kai, you can maybe you can also greet your fans because
yes,
in this space we have other fans from other countries like
international.
international
Aba.
from Asia, Europe and USA.
Oh, hello. Hello, hello, mga fans, mga Karen fans,
English
homies,
Kai,
or
English.
maybe
What
you're
if mag-English ka?
English Kai, English.
Ay, English! Hala, no? I always do English, tapos whenever I do English,
Yeah.
magtatagalog naman. So, right now, for the international fans out there, my goodness, guys, thank you. I, well, I'm sure Rain and I did not expect that our impact would come as far as outside the country. Kaya, I'm so thankful that people from all around the world are appreciating Rain and I and the show. Thank you so much, thank you so much because you're always there. You guys are always there to
Yes.
back us up, and we never expected talaga that people were watching the show actually. Kaya thank you so much because we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't have the success that we have right now if it weren't for all of you guys' support. So thank you so much. May God bless all of you. Ayun.
If there's one thing
Period.
about the homies, Kai, is that we've always talked about how it was just as easy as this. We resonated with the people who, we that's one of the reasons why I supported is because it's whoever we resonated with, and that's you and Rain.
Rain.
So
Aw.
that's like from literally from day one, as in the organic growth of the fandom just goes to
Mm.
show just how much we value you and appreciate you both. So I just want you to
Oh,
know that.
thank you. That meant a lot to me right now. Just hearing that from you now. Kasi it's been, I don't know, it's been quite a while since merong ganap yung homies. I think the last was with Rain sa at the breadwinner is ba yun? Yun ba yun? That was the last ganap ng mga homies, no, with Rain and I.
The block
Yun lang
screening, you mean?
naalala ko.
The black
Yeah, yeah,
screening.
Yes, yes, yeah.
yeah.
What
Yeah,
it
that
was
was the
just
last
recent.
ganap abo.
Yeah,
Yes, it
And
was
there's more
recent.
to come, Kai.
more to come.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it kasi before Rain and I always we always look forward to doing it so that we have an excuse to see each other.
Oh,
So it was nice. It was nice that you guys had that kasi we finally saw each other after a long time. I was in Cebu, tapos back to Manila, tapos siya naman yung, and then she's in Cebu naman, so it's like we never have the right time to see each other. Kaya, oh my gosh, thank you guys for putting that, having that block screening kasi we got to see each other again. So, gosh, I love you guys.
Well,
Thank
guess what?
you.
Homies will always be your home, the both of you. So we'll make sure of that.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
And you know what's ironic? We just mentioned that you just came back from Cebu. I know you were busy. You went to Cebu and then I think you went to Zambales, right, for a show, and then you flew back
Yeah,
again to Cebu.
and I went back.
Yeah, it was so ironic. I actually was just talking to Auntie Jane. I'm gonna have her join us in a few while here because she's the head admin of Homies. But I go, Auntie Jane, I don't think that they, ironically enough, I don't think that nagkasabay sila ni Rain na umuwi ng Cebu since
Mm-mm.
since
Mm-mm.
their entrance sa PBB.
Yeah, hindi talaga. Kasi when I was in Manila naman, she was the one in Cebu. And when I went to Zambales, she was in Manila. Pero during the time she was free, I went back to Cebu. Kaya, hay nako, you know?
It's
Pero okay
okay.
lang.
It's just
Buti
Okay
na
Auntie
lang
lang.
may
Jane.
block screening.
Buti na
Oh,
lang may block screening.
narinig niyo yun, Auntie Jane?
Buti na lang.
Auntie
Sundan
Jane,
na
more
yan
to
ng
come
iba.
yan, ha?
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Auntie Jane, do you mind speaking po? Hello po, Auntie Jane.
Ah, hello, Kai.
Hello
Hello,
po.
BM Cup.
Hello,
And
Auntie Jane.
Father Greg. And to all homies here. Sa lahat ng nakikinig, good evening po.
Auntie Jane, akala yata ni kayo may pari sa Homies. Pare.
Sino si Father Greg?
Yun yung tawag sa akin. So I'm gonna explain it to Kai because I'm pretty sure she knows what this means. But you know, a Gregorian calendar, right? So for some reason,
Uh-huh.
I made like a word play, and I made my my account name Gregarian because I'm an Aries. But
Oh.
because I've been like, in GDMs, I would like may mga essays ako just to encourage everyone, to motivate everyone. Kasi if there's one thing about the Homies, mahal na mahal ko yung mga yan. Pero mga OA din yan minsan. Pero bigla na lang ako si Father Greg daw. So anyway, I just changed it to Father Greg na lang. Bahala na kayo. Yun.
Your profile pic like matches your username anyway.
Yeah. We have a group
You
of
did that on purpose?
Yeah, so we have a group DM now we call it the Milky Way. Shout out to Milky Way. We're a pental family. So may graphic artist kami doon. She's the one who makes all of those cute palitaws with small hands and small feet, small legs.
You know what palitaw is?
No,
Kai?
actually.
Of
What
course
is it?
not.
Oh my God.
What is that?
Sa
Like
It's
sticky
Ilocos,
rice.
palutaw.
Palutaw.
Glutinous.
Yeah.
Glutinous
Yun, Auntie
rice.
Jane. Go ahead, Auntie Jane.
Yeah.
Auntie Jane, I missed the point po. Balik po tayo sa'yo. Please, talk to Kai po.
Parang hindi ako makapagsalita, kinikilig ako.
Relax.
Magkatabi
You got
kami.
this. Okay, you got this.
Oh
You
no.
got this, Auntie Jane. This is
What
your
should I
moment.
say?
Kaya mo yan, Auntie
You can
Jane.
say
Ang tagal mo
anything.
tong inantay, Auntie Jane.
Opo. Anyway, first of all, gusto ko magpasalamat kay sa inyo ni Rain sa pagpunta sa black screening namin.
Mm-hmm.
Kahit medyo late yung pag-invite namin.
Yeah. It's okay.
And we want to congratulate you sa sa ASAP. First live yun, no?
Yes po.
First,
For I Want ASAP. That was my first.
and
live.
still looking forward for sa next ASAP niyo. Mag-aabang ulit kami.
Thank you. Thank you, Auntie
Papanoorin
Jane.
namin.
And showtime and more shows and more projects and events.
Yes.
Manifesting this
Yes.
2025.
Yeah. Ano pa, Auntie Jane?
Period.
Pagkakataon niyo na ito.
Period daw.
Alam niyo, period, mic drop.
Speechless.
Alam mo kasi Kai. Yeah, go
nag-rehearse
ahead,
pa
Ate
ako kanina.
You got this! You got this, Ate Jane.
Andito na ako. Wala akong masabi.
Panindigan na natin to. Dito na si Kai, oh.
Dito na ako!
Dito na tumambay si kay Auntie Jane.
Love
Ano ba?
natin to.
Actually, Kai, I just want you to know, Auntie Jane is actually also like me. We're not in the Philippines. She does everything remotely, all the way from Hong
Aba.
Kong.
Ay,
So,
we?
yeah,
Oh,
Grabe ka, Ate
the
Jane.
dedication, marami-rami din po si Auntie Jane. Tinutuklasan namin ni Cap. Ang dami niyang ka-talking stage para lang
Yes.
Aba.
para lang to make things possible for the fandom, and also to make sure na we invite you guys also in the event. So, yeah. Mahal na mahal namin ho yan.
Oh,
Madami
thank you,
si
Ate
Auntie
Jane.
Si Auntie Jane madaming ka-talking stage, tapos ako yung hinahanapan niya ng numbers ng ka-talking
Yun.
stage niya.
Aba.
Akala nila yung pambansang ka-talking stage si Rain. Hindi, si Auntie Jane.
Support mo ako, Kai.
Yes, I will.
All right. I'm going to call in somebody na medyo mangyak-nyak na to Kai, kasi akala niya na-mute na siya
Oh
ni
yes, oo
ninyo
Kai.
ni Rain.
Oh my gosh.
Na-mute sa
Namyak?
ano,
Na-mute.
na-mute sa
Na-mute.
X.
Why?
Hazelnuts, pasok ka.
Na-mute.
Ikaw ang paliwanag, Hazelnuts.
Hello
Ako,
po.
hazelnut.
What happened to Hazelnuts?
Hazelnuts, meet Kai. Kai, this is
Hi,
Hazelnut.
Kai.
Hi, Hazelnut. I'm Kai.
I have a message for you, Kai. So,
What is it?
this is scripted, by the way.
Don't
So,
worry.
Go for it.
Hi, President Kai. I hope you're doing
Aba.
well. Work lang tayo dyan.
Grabbing introduction.
Dilulo ka talaga, Hazelnut. Okay, go ahead.
Ayusin mo yan, hazelnut.
Work lang kayo dyan ni Rain. Admin na yung bahala sa homies. And sana gumaling na si Rain, no?
Yup.
Aba, ang bait.
Thank you,
Binigyan
Kai.
pa ng trabaho
Akala
si
ko-
Auntie Jane.
Hazelnut, akala ko scripted. But ang very short naman ng script mo. Eh kung
Sorry
magdilulo ka sa plaza, ang haba.
What
Sorry
is
po.
Plaza?
Oh,
Plaza
for
is the X world.
it's the public
Outside.
space. So
Outside.
there are two places when you are on X. In our lingo, plaza is in the public space, the one that you see, the one where you
Mm.
post stuff. The private stuff is obviously the DMs, the direct messages.
Oo. So,
Yeah.
nare-read ko, nag-aaway sa plaza. Sabi, saan ba tong plaza to? Ba't sila nag-aaway dun? Ang weird.
Kai, same
Public
tayo.
space pala.
Yeah.
Yes, same
Goodness.
tayo before. I asked them then, ano yung plaza? Saan yung plaza?
Saan ba yung plaza? Ba't kaya away ng away doon? Crazy. Wow, public space lang pala yun. Goodness.
Yeah. So pag sinabing nagdidilulo si Hazelnut sa plaza, yun yung mga bagay na makikita mo kung hindi niyo siya na-mute.
Yes, alam mo
Oh,
Kai,
he
si
shot.
Hazel, ang tagal niya nang nagsasabi sa akin na, BM ka, pakisabi naman kay Kai na wag i-unmute niya ako. I don't think na mute ka naman kasi ni Kai, Hazel. Ano ka lang talaga, dilulo ka.
Last time, nag-message yan kay Rain. Tapos sabi niya, na-mute mo pa rin ba ako, Rain? Sabi ni Rain, slight lang.
I didn't even know. I did not mute anyone dito.
Oh, hindi marunong si Kai.
I didn't know. I only started using X last year pala. Yeah.
Last year, yes, last year.
Last year lang, after kakalabas ko ng BNK. So, sorry if di ko alam paano. Dapat ko ba i-mute?
No, no, no,
Hindi ka
no.
marunong hindi ka marunong mag-mute.
We will let you be the judge of that.
I don't know what hazelnuts have been posting, kaya ay di ko din alam.
It's funny
Wag mo
stuff,
nang i-check.
actually. It is funny,
Sige.
but we don't encourage
For-
you to do so.
For my peace of mind, di ko na
Yeah.
i-check.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you do, at your own risk.
I'd rather not check.
But they're ano naman, safe dilulus.
Safe the Lulu.
Not harmful.
Mm.
Yeah.
My gosh.
My gosh. Think of it.
Meron, there are two
Delulus.
dilulus kasi, Kai. Toxic and harmless.
Harmless Delulus ba kayo?
Oh,
Oh,
naman.
yes.
Happy shipping naman.
Yes. Oh.
Happy shipping.
Responsible dilulus yung
Responsible.
homies.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Hi,
Dapat
Kai.
Dapat lang. Hello. Hello po.
Andito si Chin.
Sino nag-hi?
Si Ate
Si Ate Chin mo.
Ate Jane!
Hi, Kai. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Andito rin si Jo, Kai.
Yeah, Joe is
Asan?
here also.
Where?
How
Hello!
are you?
I saw you last.
Hi,
saw you last.
guys.
Saan ba yun? When was that? Yesterday? Yesterday ba yun?
Asap. Yes.
Asap.
Tapos
Yeah.
Yesterday pala yun. Yeah.
Nag-ano sila, super ang Minion Squad. Let's say Minion Squad, super aga nilang pumunta sa ASAP to walk in. So 6 a.m. pa lang andun sila para mag-walk in, para makapasok sa
6
to represent.
a.m.?
Yeah.
Call
Diba?
time nun, 9
Aga.
a.m. lang eh. Wala pa ako dun.
Kailangan pumila.
Kailangan kasing pumila ng maaga para magkaroon ng slot.
Yeah, para makapasok. If walang slot.
I actually
have
saw
to-
you guys when I left the tower. The tower? My Will Tower.
Yeah.
Will Tower when I left. Kita ko kayo sa labas. Nagwa-wait. Naglilinya.
Yeah, I think they're nag-aantay sila sa iyo before going kay Rain yesterday. Pero parang nagkasalisi ata.
Ate Jane!
Saan po?
Nagantay sila nagantay sila, and then sabi nila sa akin, Ate Chi, alis na lang kami. Sabi, I texted din si Papa mo or si Tito Ken, kaso parang busy din. That's why.
After ASAP?
Yeah,
Yes.
after ASAP.
Yes.
Oh.
Before sila nagpunta ng Taguig.
Ng Taguig.
I
To support
didn't
Rain.
know that. Kasi I came by real quick sa labas ng McDo.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I got scared for a sec kasi sinabi ko yung McDo. But like, yes, McDo. I went out for a while to see the Kai mates. Hindi ko alam, andun din pala yung homies. What time were you guys there?
Jo.
Pagtapos ng
Like right after
nag-wait
ASAP
kami
talaga?
Sa may, nag-wait kami sa may coffee project.
Ay, hindi kasi ako umuwi after ASAP. Pero I stopped by in kasi they messaged me. Pero next time, let me know. Or if I have time, I can come out and see you guys. Ganun din.
We'll let you know po.
Slay.
Ate Chin, Jo,
Yes.
were you like team live na while
po.
they were inside the house?
Me po, ever since.
Talaga? So may question
Yeah.
ako sa'yo.
Since day one.
Nandun ka ba sa labas yung legendary na eviction night? Na
Yes, of
nasa
course.
game room si Nakaya Jalen?
Yeah.
What?
Alam mo yung feeling, Kai, grabe.
That was
Yung
intense.
kaba namin,
Yeah.
as in. Tapos every eviction night, lagi kaming andon. And then lagi kaming nagdadala ng speaker para marinig namin kasi syempre ang daming higawan, ganyan. So,
Kai,
Yeah?
may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Okay. Yes. Yes po.
Seryoso ka
Kinabahan
doon,
si
Ate
Kai.
Jane?
Scary naman nun.
Kinabahan naman kami doon.
Scary naman.
Scary.
What is it po?
Actually, kasalanan ng homies kung bakit ka pinasok sa game room.
Minanifest
Why?
namin yun. Minanifest
Yeah,
mo.
manifest.
What?
They manifest.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Actually, they don't
Kaya
want you to
hindi,
evicted, but they just want you to, pumasok
Experience? Why?
Ganito yun, Kai. Kasi, Auntie Jane, ikaw ma-explain?
Ikaw na po.
ikaw na
Kasi,
padre.
pag-announce ng nomination, ang lalakas. Fiang, Jaren, Kai. So ngayon, sabi ng mga naku, we'll do whatever it takes. So that was actually like a collaboration with Kai mates and also with homies to make sure. And actually also reindeers were campaigning as well. So
Wow.
BBS Kai. Itong mga homies, dramatic. Gusto nila ano kaya ang feeling kung pumunta si Kai sa game room? Ano kaya yung feeling ni Rain?
Rain.
Yun!
Oh
Yun
my
ang Thailand.
gosh! You guys, ginusto niyo
Ang
po.
confident. Sana mag-game room. Nung nasa game room nang sabi like, Kuya, ibalik si Kai.
Nagsisi.
Well, ano yung na-feel nyo after seeing Rain's reaction?
It was
Kinabahan din
nerve-wracking. It was
Kilig po
nerve-wracking
kami.
actually. Yeah.
Kinabahan,
react din.
kinabahan
Nagsisi.
nga si Rain.
Nagsisi kami.
Grabe yung,
Nagsisi kami.
oh my gosh, grabe yung prayers ni Rain. Like last minute prayers ni Rain.
What was
Yeah.
his response to you, Kai?
Nakita mo ba yung edit, Sky? Yung parang hindi makahinga si Rain?
Parang himatayin.
Himatayin na ata siya dun sa yung nagpipray siya na while
Nung
waiting
pinasok
for
ka sa
you.
game room.
I didn't see, I just saw her face, yung mga edits na she's like closing her eyes and stuff.
Yes,
Sabi niya,
that one.
Sabi niya, di daw real pero trust me.
Yeah, no.
Trust me. Trust me, really.
Real po yun.
You know what's funny? That same night, there's a video that got released by her dad, and her dad was actually also saying the same thing. Na, naku, hihimatayin yung anak ko. Ganyan. So, I mean, who knows her
that
better,
one.
di ba?
That's what I saw.
Yeah.
That's what I saw
Yeah.
by her dad.
Your tito Raul? Yeah, exactly.
Yuck! Oh, funny, bro.
Kai, can you confirm when she hugged you? Did she say, come back, Kai?
Yeah. I'll come back, just not today. I really thought I was going out kasi.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Well, you were the highest on that voting poll that night. We made sure of that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, thank you. Kasi, you know what?
Yes.
I was so shocked. I was like, huh? There's no way.
You
Hindi
didn't
ako
really
yung-
expect.
Hindi. Hindi talaga because, I mean, come on now. Like, the way I saw Jaren inside the house, I thought alam ko naman other people saw Jaren that way din. And, I guess, di lang talaga ako nasanay na people would see me this way, ganyan. So, parang ang shock ko nun. Ang crazy talaga. Pero, thank you.
Yeah.
What's done
Well,
is done.
Kaya nag-unite lahat for you, ha?
Yeah.
In what
It
sense?
was no, all the
Nag-unite
solid and
lahat
the homies
Ah.
united.
mag-BBS sa'yo. Solid, shippers, even the casual viewers.
Oh yeah.
Talagang nag-all out sa'yo, Kai. Kasi, 3 ba naman kayong na-nominate?
I know.
So, palakasan na talaga.
Yeah, at that point everyone was already gaining so much traction eh.
I was so
And
gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys are making me go back to the feels. I'm feeling it
I'm-
again.
mag-relapse tayong sabay-sabay.
I'm
I'm
feeling it again.
I'm gonna share to you our experience on our end, our perspective. The fact that one of the things that we only just wish is that wag lang magsabay. Wag lang magsabay ang
Oh
Kai ni
my.
Rain.
Oh my.
And then here's what happens. Rain gets nominated consecutively. and then,
You know
and
what?
then 1 week ikaw. Go ahead.
Tapos
That's
nagsabay, no?
that's what Rain and I always talk about. Like, Rain, you know what's the saddest thing that's gonna happen here? If we're both gonna be in the game room. We always talk about it. Sana di ma-happen, sana di ma-happen. That's why we always talk about it para manifesting na hindi ma-happen. Gosh.
Buti na lang.
Well, knowing the positive mindset that you always have, as we've always seen from you and obviously admired from you, I have a question. When she finally went to the game room, how did you feel any kaba?
Um, you know what? I was quite delulu during that time. Like, kasi alam ko na eh. Alam ko na yung babalik is Rain. But also, when it was taking so long kasi for her to come back na parang, oh my gosh, what if I'm delulu, no? What if I only think this way kasi um, I really think of her with high regards. Baka,
Mhm.
baka hindi talaga siya yung magka-come out. Am I delulu? Pero, yeah, I was so nervous, but I also thought na, no. Kasi the way I saw her inside the house, and until now, she's, gosh, she's great, bro. Like, I'm sure a lot of people will see that as well. Yeah, I was
Yes.
so confident that she was gonna come back. But my gosh, my heart, bro. Oh,
So it was nerve wracking as well. I mean,
yeah.
we saw it for ourselves as well, but I just wanted to confirm that because when she came back, and this is how I observe her every time that she gets like saved. When they announce like, oh, you are safe, Rain. When she's the first one that gets saved, the first one who's really happy for her is you, and
Of
and we're so
course.
excited about. Oh yeah, yeah. It's you
Yes.
hug her like that, and here's the empathetic Rain that I observe. She won't like be too excited first kasi meron pa yung mga baka mapunta
Yeah,
sa game. Parang gano'n siya, 'di ba?
yeah, yeah. Pero,
And yeah,
gosh, goodness.
and you
You
know
know why?
what's yeah.
You know why? Kasi Jane always tells me, Kai, bye, bye. Like, before eviction night, he always tells me, goodbye, Kai. This is my last day.
Oh, we know.
Yeah, that's
Oh my
why
God.
when
Yeah.
she's called safe, that's when I say nga, I told you so, I told you so, ganon. Oh my
Always.
God. Yeah.
And you
Ay,
know what's
naku.
funny, Kai? Yung PBB Camboy, we call him
Who's that?
Camboy.
Who's that?
Yung sa
Camboy?
yung cameraman,
Cameraman.
Yung
cameraman. Yeah,
cameraman.
we call them
Bakit?
Camboy. Kasi every time na like masasabing safe na si Rain, automatic yung camera naka-focus sa'yo.
Automatic.
Automatic
Mhm.
yun.
Oh, yes.
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 As in, when they
Kasi
post,
they understand.
yeah, exactly. When they
Parang
post on
they're
PBB,
expecting na yung reaction dapat
Reaction
naka-focus
mo.
sa'yo. Oo.
alam talaga nila Kap na yun yung inaabangan din natin. Kasi, and then it's so funny because when they post it on PBB, kunyari, there are 3 nominees and announce a safe, safe, safe. Solo rat parate yung photos ng iba. Tapos yung, hindi nila makrop si Kai. Parating Kai
Ay,
Rain
we?
yung photos. So, yeah,
Really?
yeah, sa PBB.
That's so funny.
Yeah, it actually is,
Oh
and
my gosh.
I'm gonna share something to you that we saw on live stream. One time, you guys were out in the pool area. I think it was the Uto Teens week, and then she was nominated yung because she failed the nonchalant task, and then
Mm.
you said something like, if Rain's gonna leave, um, yeah, that just means that old people
Oh
are
my gosh.
watching the show, and then
Oh. Oh no! Oh my gosh!
but you know
Na-out
what?
pala
You know
yun!
what? That motivated us. Sabi namin, "Hoy,
Yeah.
baka tawagin ko yung old ni Kai. Boto kayo."
Nag
Oh,
nag-trending
oh my
talaga
God,
yun,
that's so
Kai.
funny.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Tawang-tawa ako
I
nun.
said that. I said that with ano kasi like parang, kasi maybe they just don't see how Rain is talaga. Pero if you guys were like maybe our age, maybe you would realize how Rain is. Pero my gosh, at least naging motivation, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Well,
Wait, that's so funny. Ngayon ko lang
yeah,
na-know yan, no?
anything was a motivation for us. At anything that you guys do on live stream, the moment, oh, ayan, magbayad na kayo, boto na kayo. It was that kind of community talaga. That's why to this day ganun pa rin. It's like the humor is there. And
Sorry, that's so funny.
no, it's okay. I'm glad you find it funny as well.
I just found out kasi right now. I did not see. Wait, is that online ba?
Online.
Yeah.
The video?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Nag-trending yun sa
They've done
TikTok.
so much edits on that. Yeah. And it's funny. So we did the poll, right? We're like, are we really that old? And then so we did the poll, homies, how old are we? And then we're like, that poll actually was just recent. We're actually 60% Gen Zs,
Mhm.
40% Gen millennials. So
Oh.
nag-age reveal na sila sa GDM. Sabi ko, wag na. Basehan nyo na lang yung medyas. Sabi ni Kai,
Oh my goodness.
pag Michael
Oh my
Jackson
gosh.
sucks,
And foot
Gen
tap.
Z ka.
Wait, that's so cute. Do you guys know?
Yeah. And we relate that. Whatever you do, we relate. So just so you know, it's not just your age who actually admire you. There's a lot of us here who, my last PBB, Kai, to be honest with you, the last PBB that I saw, you weren't even born yet. And King Chu
Oh my
won, okay?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, nahatak talaga ako ng PBB this time. It was a very I was in the Philippines for 2 months and I landed on the first week of PBB and like 2 weeks later I found all of these edits on TikTok and next thing you know, I'm down the rabbit hole and I no longer remember anything in that vacation.
Welcome.
Yep.
Welcome.
And 6 months
Welcome.
na akong puyat, I'm still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And ako naman, Kai, I never watched PBB in my entire life. Pero lumabas kayo, yung edits nyo ni Rain, yung Kai Rain, sa TikTok. Sabi ko, sino bang mga batang to? And then I got intrigued. Hala, napa-download na ng TikTok, ng Space, ng X, ng Maya, ng GCash,
Maya.
para lang mag-BBS. Lahat ng mga tao, pati pamilya ko, pati friends ko, kahit hindi nanonood ng PBB, basta mag-download kayo ng ang GCash and Maya, BBS nyo si Kai, BBS nyo si Rain.
Oh my gosh. It has become a culture na talaga, no?
Oh
I
yeah.
did not realize that until
I
I
would
came out.
I would have to really commend this batch, and I always say to the homies this. Kahit anong i-reshuffle kayo, whatever clicks you have inside the house. I mean, clearly you and Rain are like top tier, okay?
Yeah, I
Chemistry
agree.
wise, whatever bond you have as a batch, you guys just like nailed it. Kaya for me, it's legendary. That's one of the
Yeah.
reasons that a lot of people
Actually.
gravitated towards. I mean, could you imagine? Concurrent views of your big night was like 2.2 million. I mean, that says a lot. So
Oh,
yeah, that's a huge,
You didn't know that?
You didn't know that?
I actually did not. I did
Mas
not.
madami pang alam yung homies sa'yo, ah.
Mhm. You made history, Kai.
I
That
did
was
Yeah.
not know
yeah,
that.
that was amazing.
Wow. Grabe pala yung support. Oh my gosh. Kasi inside the house, it's different when, we're just tambaying. So, we always think na no one's probably watching the show because we feel bored. So, maybe people are bored as well. Kaya we're really surprised how so much people pala are nag-aabang sa amin. So, gosh, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Eh,
Mas marami na aking,
Hello po.
Sino yan?
Si Hazel po. Kai, kwento mo daw yung 18 minutes vlog mo. Sabi nila, hindi
Oh!
ako.
Kukunan na kita ng microphone, Hazelnuts.
Kwento mo daw po yung 18 minutes vlog mo, sabi po nila. Hindi po ako,
What's
hindi
my
po ako.
18 minutes vlog?
Unsa
At
18 minutes
oo,
vlog.
Yung sa ano,
What's
sa
that?
yung
nag-separate kayo ng rooms.
Oh. What did I do?
Oh no, it was like you guys were divided among the big four. You were in a
Yeah.
room. You were
yeah, and
you
then
were
Separated.
you were
We
talking
were
to the
separated.
you were doing a monologue. You're talking to the camera, and then
Ah,
yeah.
For
yeah.
the whole 18 minutes
Well, 18 minutes
18
that we
minutes.
saw.
that we saw.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
I have I know fun. Well, I don't know if it's fun, but like, here's a fact. The cameraman told me I was talking for 4 hours straight.
What?
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
sabi sa inyo guys 18 minutes was nothing.
18 minutes lang yung sa amin. 4 hours
8.
pala yun.
It was
Singilin
like
natin si Kuya Kaman.
4 hours. 4 hours straight daw. Ako nga, hindi ako nag-believe na 4 hours pala. And then he was like, trust me, you've been talking for 4 hours. Kaya nga pinapatulog ka na, di ba? It's like, oh nga no. Oh my gosh.
Kai.
Yeah.
Kai.
Yes.
Singilin namin si Kuya Kaman.
Oh,
Ipakita mo yung 4 hours na yan.
oh my gosh, guys. I remember what I was doing. So like, dahil sinabihan ako na bawal matulog, bro, I was doing all types of tutorial. I did singing
Oh my gosh.
tutorial, dancing tutorial, my makeup tutorial. Lahat ginawa ko. I even had like a podcast na parang how to be like this, how to be like that. Hindi ko nga nakita, so I almost forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me though. I will tell PBB to show me what
Yeah,
happened.
to give you a copy of that 4 hour na ano mo, vlog.
Lol.
They call
Yeah.
it your vlog, by the way.
Yeah,
Your
your
Pag
vlog.
vlog.
nakuha mo kay, share it to us. Huh?
Or i-gatekeep ko.
No!
Or
Gatekeep.
i-gatekeep ni Kai tapon susi.
True.
Gatekeep.
Well, yeah, that 18-minute vlog was actually very fun because it just really made us smile. What they showed was when you picked up was it the paper flower, was it?
Paper flower.
Yeah, it was the paper flower.
Ah,
Yeah, that was what
Started
they
there.
showed. So just so you know, that 18-minute vlog that was shown to us was actually you not talking about any DIYs or tutorials. It was just talking about rain.
aba, pinili pala.
Aba.
That's
And
what's
then,
Pinili.
publicized.
and then
Pinili.
doon yung
Pinili.
sinabi mo, aba, eto pala yung parang LDR?
Ay, nako.
Iba
LDR.
yung pinakita sa amin, Kai, hindi yung mga tutorials mo.
Ayos din yung PBB, no? Ayos din.
And I think they set that right away, di ba, Kap? Because it was the live stream that day was off, and then suddenly it just turned on, and we were so excited because finally there's something. We were actually trying to figure out like how is that gonna work because I thought you guys were not allowed to talk directly to the camera, and then sure enough, here comes Sky. But prior to that, actually,
Lol.
we were worried about that you might get buzzed because you were like, bawal nga matulog, diba? I think you kept singing "See You Happy," and then
Actually,
you were singing Beyonce song, and then
I sang so
Nakatulog.
much.
yeah,
I sang so much. There was more. It was I sang Billie Eilish. Sabi ko, di na ako nababuzzer ah. Susulitin ko ng moment na to. Kinanta ko lahat. Maybe that's why they didn't show it. Kasi all of us were actually singing. Even Fiang was.
I have a
Singilin
question.
mo to Kuya.
I have a question for you, Kai. So, 100 days inside the house with no contact outside. I mean, let's face it. It's also a psychological contest for you guys, right?
Mm-hmm.
The moment that you stepped out and big stage, how did that feel?
The big night.
The big
When I
night.
oh Honestly, it felt, well, during the time, I was very excited because I haven't seen people in such a long time. I mean, wala, tao din naman sila, Fiona, Colette, and Rain, pero,
Ano ba, Kai?
sorry, sorry. Iba din kasi,
You're so cute.
sorry. Wait, my bad. Scratch that. Iba din kasi na makakita ng tao na hindi ko pa nakikita, you know?
Hindi mo
Mhm.
So,
housemate.
yes. So, I've I've only been I've only seen Rain, Ate Colette, and Fiang. Kuya J was the last evictee during that time pa. So, I only remember faces in my memory, and aside from sila Rain. Kaya, I was so excited na when I went out. Hala, there's so many people. And you know what I was so happy about when I came out? Is that people actually paid attention to what we were saying na parang I saw the where there's sky, there's
There's
rain,
rain.
The
and
banner.
I saw that kasi ang laki nun. And I was like, oh my gosh, how did they know that? How did they know that? Ganon ganyan. I saw your t-shirts and everyone's and the one where Rain and I were wearing red, yung shirt
Mhm,
niya.
mhm.
I saw that. I was like, how did they notice these things pala? Tapos it was just so nice seeing everyone and the Sintras. Bro, those
Mhm.
were so interesting. I was literally just Sintra hunting the big night. I was like,
Sintra hunting.
yeah, yeah, for real. Like, I was on stage. Diba, I was fourth placer, so I had like more time on stage.
Time.
So,
Oh yeah,
andun,
that's right.
andun lang ako. Hala, 'di ba? Pagbabalik na, PBB, ganyan. Pagbabalik pa.
Uh-huh.
Pinapanood ko na lang yung mga Sintras. Like, what else do they have? What else do they know? Na parang, kasi, you know what? When you're inside
Actually,
the house, you kind of forget that you're actually being, like, you're on
That it's a
cam.
game show. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's yeah, okay. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I kind of forgot na parang, alam pala tong mga tao to na. Crazy. You know? So, super excited. Yun lang.
Did you expect Kyra Rain to be this big?
Um,
This
honestly,
fandom.
Yeah,
honestly,
the
honestly,
fandom.
hindi. Ang in-expect ko lang, obviously, I expected Kai Rain as in like, kasi we're
Individual.
besties. No.
Uh-huh.
Like,
Yeah, yeah.
I,
The friendship.
I expected that. Like,
Mm,
parang Mai and Kisses ba? Like, best
mm,
friends.
mm,
So,
mm.
I thought inside the house, I expected na parang, we're gonna probably be perceived as besties, ganyan. Because even Kuya refers to us as besties, pinakamalapit na uh, friend, ganyan. So,
mm,
yun yung in-expect ko when I was inside the house that Rain and I, probably a good tandem, and most people probably realize that din. Kaya okay lang kami nun sa inside the house na we were perceived that way as besties, best friends, ganun.
mm.
Did you
Period.
realize na, Kai, na you were the one who started the ship to Kai
Uh,
Rain?
the name Kyrene
The
or
name.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
I
didn't.
don't think Kai did. Was it? You mean like the fandom cap
No,
or
no,
like
no,
the
no.
naming?
The name.
The
The name.
portmanteau, the Kai Rain?
Yeah, the Kai Rain. It was
Oh.
Kai.
Yeah, I
Kyrene.
think
I
I
like that.
remember saying Kyrene, but I remember din. I don't think if pinakita siya, pero
Pinakita siya.
Oh, when Rain said you're bungol.
you know what Rain was actually saying during that time?
Mm.
Kasi I'm not sure if that's the right video ba yung nakita niyo. Pero we were it was musical week, and she was asking me about Kai Ren, and
Yeah, yes.
I I was like, I didn't know na Kai Ren yung tinatawag nila sa amin. So I was like, Kai Rain? It's like, no, Kai, like you and Jaren, blah, 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 like that. And then I said, you know what? If I know our ship name now. It's Kai
Rain.
Rain. Ganon.
Yeah.
That's how I, ano, came up with it. Kai
But you
Rain.
didn't hear it naman. You just figured na that's what's you know that the first week actually when there were already edits about you like since day one, your name actually was Rain Kai.
Rain
And
Kai?
then yeah, that was your
Mm.
OG
Ah,
name,
yeah, Rain
Rain
told me that.
Kai. Mhm. Yeah, and then it changed to Kai Rain. So it's funny because you actually knew that for quite some time, and then here comes a day. I think it was sometime. And I'll explain to you. Are you familiar with Kai Rain Day?
No, sorry. Ano yan?
Oh, we just
Well,
celebrated the 4th, right?
Ah, Kai
Yesterday.
Rain
Yesterday.
seventh.
Day.
Yeah,
Kai
Kai
Yeah.
Rain
Rain
Day.
Day.
Kala ko Kai
Uh huh.
Rain Day. What? Yeah, I am familiar with
Yesterday
Kai
we
Rain Day.
celebrated.
Ay, Kai Rain
Yung
Day.
day.
Pero
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure kung bakit yun yung day. What
Ah,
that day?
okay.
Why is it that day?
Para
Ganon.
brag.
Yeah. So what happened was like like a month after you mentioned the name to Rain, which Rain I think was still like saying no, that's not it's not true that we have a ship name. She told you she said oh I know our ship name na
The
and
she said
then
she
you
told me.
said yeah
Yeah.
yeah she said oh she got excited she's like I know our ship name now and you're like what is it and she said Kyrain and you actually said oh I already know that it's Kyrain. So finally, because she acknowledged it that day, October 7th, 2024 became Kyrain Day.
So
When was it?
every
Mm.
When is
7th
it?
of the month.
October 7th,
Aba.
2024. So
Yeah.
therefore, every 7th of the month, we celebrate Kyrain Day.
Kairen
Kyren
Day.
Kasi
Day.
finally, hindi nabungol si Rain. Alam niyo?
Kaya pala. Kasi
Yeah.
Rain and I would always ask each other, how did they come up with Kyren Day ba? Paano nga ba to?
No.
Ganun
No, alam
pala.
niyo na.
Now
Now you
I
know.
know. Jinx.
Mm.
Now I know. Thank you for letting me know. At least, alam ko na
Let's
din.
talk about outside
Yesterday.
world real quick for your upcoming 2025. Are you
Mhm.
excited? Are you looking forward to it?
I'm so excited kasi obviously New Year in the outside world. So like
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Basta you guys abangan niyo na lang.
Yeah, sure. We will
We're
abang.
always
Ooh.
here.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
Ooh, we're excited. Yeah. And
Mhm.
I just want you to know, Kai, as well that we're very particular with how the community is, as far as like we have our guidelines, our rules. Now that you know what plaza is, we make sure that we stay classy, never trashy in the plaza. Sometimes
Slay.
emotions are very heightened, but I just want to let you
Mhm.
know that as a group, we always have discussions privately first before we do
React.
anything or make a statement or react.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good.
And
However,
yeah.
Father
However,
Greg,
go ahead.
we have members or pretending to be members that are making nonsense noise sa plaza na
Hmm.
We
meron
can't
din yung,
control.
yeah, we can't control, but however, yung homies, meron kaming tinatawag na mga pulis. Yung mga admins like
Oh.
Auntie Jane, kino-call out sila. Si Auntie
Oh.
Jane is not just an
Police.
admin, but she is also a police.
Wow. You're not registered pero you're a police dito as a
Yes, like
Mm.
homie
you're like
police.
Father Greg. She's not a priest, but she is the father.
Yeah.
Hala, hala.
Wow. Nagkakatrabaho na talaga ang mga homies, no?
Ay, oo,
Hindi nyo na kailangan.
meron pa ditong BIR, tax
Mm.
collector.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Ano yun?
Hindi
Wow, mga
hindi
Taga-collect
kayo
ng taga-collect ng ambag.
hindi kayo magkaka-block screening kung wala kaming tax collector, parang gano'n.
Yeah, that's black
That's very
screening. It's
nice that you guys are organized.
We
We're
try we
very
tried our best.
organized. We're very organized, and we're trying our best to um be mindful, and because
Mhm.
we're not presenting ourselves, but we are presenting you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very
Kasi
true.
whatever we do sa plaza, it will reflect to you. Kayong babalikan, hindi
Yeah.
kami.
We
So
reflect your values,
Yes.
you and
yeah,
Rain.
so we always make sure na your value, you and Rain's values, we do that. We apply it to ourselves also.
That's very nice.
And
I will say thank you again.
mind you, we are way older than you, but however,
Hala, hala,
we yeah.
ikaw lang.
Hoy, nano ka? Ano? Laglagan? Binabuang? Hindi, but
Ano na
you know
yan?
what's ironic kasi we're older than you, but you and Rain, you inspire us. We learn a lot
Mm.
from both of you. Kasi yung kami nasa age, like me, nasa age mo ako that time, all I do is party. When I saw you and Rain, sabi ko, what if yung mindset ko and maturity ko at that age, 17, ganun na. Ano na kayo narating ko ngayon? Baka naging senator na ako ng Pilipinas, naging congresswoman na, since I'm in politics.
Puwede pa, Kai.
Sabi ko, ha?
Puwede pa.
Pwede pa?
Puwede pa, puwede pa.
Pwede pa. Ay, by the way, Kai, Father Greg and I are same Olongo. He's
Mm?
from Bacolod, and you know me, I'm from Capiz and Iloilo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Represent.
Yes.
Shout
Yeah.
out.
Well,
Okay.
actually, it's funny because I'm not really familiar with Cebuano, but when I listen to you and Rain, when you guys talk sa live stream, I finally got like made an effort, and I'm like, oh, I can actually understand it being an Ilonggo. So
Yes,
that
may
really helped a lot.
similarities.
Lol. Yeah, we speak Bisaya sometimes. Sometimes Kuya.
Kai, let
Oh,
it, let us know. We've taken so much of your time. Okay, you just let us know if you, because these
It's
people
okay.
here are just going to be here hanggang magdamag. So you tell us when you want
yeah.
to, say bye bye.
I'm
And
playing Block Blacks
mm.
while talking to y'all.
Ah,
Oh,
so
Oh,
you're play a game.
Yeah.
remember, this is Kai's tambay night. So,
Got it.
Yes, my
makikitambay siya sa
tabay.
homies.
Okay.
night
Kai.
person.
Ay,
Sige
Kai, are
po.
you aware pala
No,
na
night
yung
person.
yung homies may pa-ML tournament para
Hindi,
maiwas yung
meron.
What?
mga...
Ooh, can I shout that out
Yes,
actually?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Please
Yes, yes,
do the
yes.
honor, Father Greg, para
Mm.
ma-aware si Kai na may diversion tayo dun sa mga ka-homies natin na nagwawala sa plaza.
Makalat.
So, mga nagkakalat. Yeah, the admin came up with the ML tournament para imbis magkalat sa plaza, magtutok sa
Mag-ML siya.
ML.
That's so
So
funny.
yeah, so you're an athlete, right,
Yeah.
guy? You're varsity, so you know how like you have that energy, so you pour it somewhere, right? So the advice
Yeah.
is, okay, wag kayong magbarda. Don't twiddle
Mm,
your thumbs and say some
Yeah.
stuff there. Go ahead. Just just
That's
just
good.
play.
That's
Yeah.
good.
do
Gusto niyo pala
something.
mag-away, mag-ML kayo.
Mag-join
Para,
ka kaya,
Magpatayan kayo sa
mag-join,
ML.
So, so guess
Kai,
what?
mag-join kaya kayo as guest ni Rain dun sa ML tournament. Sa championship. Kailan ba yung championship? January 11?
Yun
yes
yung
po.
beginning ng tournament. Yes, actually.
Yung
Yeah.
actually
Beginning.
No, no,
mag-start
no. It's gonna
11.
happen the time, I think. So I'm gonna do a little segue here para madinig din ni Kai yung mga
Yes.
teams. So
Yes.
here, guys, the final list of teams for the Mobile Legends tournament is here. And just so you know, Kai, this was actually an open invitation. It's just not homies. Meron din dito reindeers and kaymates. So,
Aba.
yeah, so opponents will be randomly selected and revealed live for fairness. Magla-live stream po. The tournament starts on January 11th at 8 p.m. Philippine time. So, good luck to all the teams. And yes, the matches will be live streamed. I'm going to do a repost of this so you guys are aware. But here are the final teams. We have Diyos ko po.
Why is everyone giggling?
Go, Father Greg.
All right. Ito po. I'm not gonna say specifically whether it's homies, kaymates, or reindeers, but here it
Just
is.
the names.
Team name, Subo Me.
Yeah, I'm from there.
Oh my
Kasali ka ka?
god.
No,
Oh.
gusto ko kasi yung
Okay.
Kai Sobo Me.
Team
Oh my
Half-Bloods.
god.
NIYSS. Asinonix. Diyos ko po kayo. Lab Pabuhat. Lock In. Bantay Lagi Ka. Purple Minions. Burnat Sabungan. Lucky. And I know for a fact these are reindeers. Power Reindeers. Mood Swing.
Ang cute.
Goosebumpy. More Than That. ACM. And 2023.
What? You guys are so creative with the names. Sorry, that's so funny.
I wonder.
Na-notice mo ba Kai yung mga names is relate dun sa what happened sa bahay ni Kuya?
Yeah, that's why I'm laughing so hard. How do you guys even know that? Kasi sometimes talaga nalilimutan ko na it's being broadcasted and napapanood pala kami. So parang,
Did you actually believe ka at one point that walang audio yung yung live?
yeah! Actually, the whole time, akala ko wala talaga. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang dami kong sinabi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. God. Stop it! You're making me remember everything!
Ay, sorry.
Is it a good memory or bad memory? Parang good naman yun ah.
Hindi kasi, I don't know, I was so confident inside the house thinking na, doesn't matter, they can't hear me. Oh my
That was the best
gosh!
part. That was the
Who
best part
cares?
for us.
Who cares?
Para tuloy mo.
It was a house. Diba? It's a house.
Yeah. Oh well. Doesn't matter. What's done is done.
I have a question for you, and this I think could also be like an advice to people who also have like a genuine bond like you and Rain have. When you get into like situations that you don't agree on things, let's say for example, meron kayong debate. Without sugarcoating it, alam naman namin may mga away kayong nakikita din namin. Paano kayo nagkakabati?
Suyo mo.
Yun ang hindi
question.
namin alam. Actually. Yeah.
Oh, actually,
Mhm.
I can definitely answer this question. I'll just answer it from my perspective kasi iba din yung kay Rain. There was that one time inside the house we fought. Like we had a disagreement kasi I don't remember kasi I don't really remember why, but it was built up kasi like ganyan siya sa akin, then I was like that for her. Pero we didn't address it until it just stacked up, no? So during that time, we realized na parang it's really not healthy to keep, whenever you feel ilang with your friends, na ganon, ganyan, if you feel like you have a problem, it's really not healthy to keep it to yourself. And as much as
Suppress it.
possible, yes, as much as possible, tell the person, your friend, or sino man yan, meron kang problema with that person, sabihin mo na agad before either one of you blows up na parang, ay, may ganun pala, Di mo sinabi sa akin, so how would I know? So, during that, we, Ray and I, we would tell each other na parang, I didn't like na ginanyan mo ako, or I didn't like na this happened. Maybe we should do this or that. Because the difference, Mongod, with Rain and I and other people in the world, why do like maybe friendships end? Maybe because they didn't make an effort to understand each other. And something I'm really proud of with Rain and I's friendship is that we always try our best to understand each other. No matter how hard the situation is, na parang paiyak na siya or paiyak na ako or ganyan, we always try to understand each other kasi we value our friendship so much kasi alam namin, na-realize namin that kung gaano kahalaga kaming each other for ourselves. Kaya we always try talaga to understand each other kung ano problema niya, ano problema ko. Para we will have like conclusions na, this is what I would do so that I can be a better person, and that's what she's gonna do to be a better person. So legit, when I say this, it might sound corny, but communication is the key. Period.
Wow, thank you for that, Kai. That's
You're welcome.
I know it's a bit cliche na sa lahat, no, that communication is the key, but for real,
Mm-hmm.
legit talaga na yung communication is the key to, like, even sa bahay, sa family, sa
Mm-hmm.
friends, sa work,
Mm-hmm.
sa anyone.
Yeah. And sorry, I'd like to add up. Communication is nothing without comprehension.
Yeah.
So you must be able to communicate while understanding din. So yun yung ginagawa namin ni Rain. Yun lang.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kai, for sharing.
That's
You're
amazing.
welcome.
You know
Thank
what
you.
actually is the most amazing part here is that we're hearing this from someone who just turned 18. When all of this was happening, they were just 17 years old. Okay. The maturity is just like insane for me. It's
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
The maturity is beyond her
yeah.
age.
Yeah. And that is one of the things that I always observed when I first watched you guys, because I think one of the blessings that we had on the live stream was like seeing a lot of your communication, yung mga deep talks ninyo. And I believe what you said earlier,
Oh.
it had to do with, like, I think you were referring to your weekly like introspection when you ask each other what's
Aha,
good about you this
yes.
week. Yeah. Yeah. And what's
Yes,
bad about me. Yeah.
we call that weekly refreshments.
There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah, so while others were like in a huddle, you both just like have your, as always, you
Yeah.
have your own little world.
Yes.
Yes, and
Yeah.
then you have your conversation such as that. And then that really impressed me, knowing that, it I'm like, absolutely, yeah. Kap and I are like way older than you girls, and
Uh-huh.
here we are, and we're learning so much from you. Like, wow, actually, we can do that. Absolutely. And then
Mm,
you don't take offense. Like, just okay, bring it in. Okay. Bring it on.
yes.
Bring it on. Just tell me
Yes.
now. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um was it a surprise to you to have had that kind of, like, cuz that is rare. You just don't
Yes.
go into a game show inside a house,
Yes.
in the four corners of the wall with strangers, and suddenly you find like the one person that you actually connect with.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko siya in-expect because actually Rin and I always talk about this na parang none none of us, both of us, we didn't expect that we'd meet someone like each other kasi obviously coming in Manila, coming from Cebu baya, um you would never expect na parang I'm gonna have like a bestie in this house,
Yeah,
in this
yeah.
way. Obviously, I expected to have friends, but not the way I am friends with Rain. You get it? Like,
Mhm. Mhm.
Yes.
Iba lang yung connection eh, kasi she's also taga Cebu, so maybe that also added up to the familiarity and our similar interests and ganon. Pero knowing Rain more sa house, we're both so different actually. But I
Really?
think what brought, yeah, actually, Rain and I are very different. But I think in terms of values,
Hmm.
beliefs,
Hmm.
and
Mindset,
perspective,
I would say.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yes, is where we
Personality.
really, uh, humor,
Yeah.
humor is
Humor, yeah.
where we really click. And doon ko din nasabi na parang, whoa, I didn't expect someone else would understand me the way Rain does.
Hmm.
Kaya I was shocked, obviously, because sa PBB pa talaga na 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 meet ko si Rain,
Yeah.
and we're both so lucky to have each other inside the house and outside. Yeah.
On her. In what
Yes.
aspects are you guys different?
We're very different in terms of interests. Yes, we both like music, but her music taste is very different from mine, and different yung hobbies niya. She likes hiking. I hate walking. Um, yeah, and she's a fashionista. And before PBB, I would barely even make the effort to dress up. And I'm a, what do you call this? She likes going out. She likes gala. Before PBB, I did not want to go out of my house at all. So parang we're so different naman, pero how come we click so well?
would you
But
say would you say
ganun talaga.
it's would you say you're an introvert and she's an extrovert?
Yeah, actually, I wouldn't exactly say na I'm an introvert.
Na super.
I
Oh.
I mean, actually, oo. Iba naman kasi is sa showbiz where you have to be, you have to be easygoing all the time, na ganyan. And I understand that it's part of the work. So I, as much as possible, I try to be more extroverted, but I really am uh, introverted. And Rain, oh my gosh, you know what's so funny? Rain, di ba sabi niya, hindi naman siya shy, pero naging shy siya
Yeah.
sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. That's funny kasi
Mhm.
ako naman, hindi naman ako shy, pero gaya nga ng sabi ko, I'm introverted. Pero baliktad, sa bahay ni Kuya, ako yung naging parang, extroverted, tapos siya, ako
Extrovert.
yung naging,
Outgoing. Yeah.
yeah, pero nag-iba. It's like Freaky Friday.
But you
Yeah.
know what I always actually say this every time I see you guys, or anything that whenever you have conversations, and you, let's say you have like different um how do you call this, moments inside the confession room, but the way that
Mhm.
she answers is in a, is very Rain. The way that you answer is very Kai. But I always say, I go, these two girls are like same people, same person, different fonts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
oo. Same,
yeah,
same. Napag-usapan natin 'yan, Father
yeah,
Greg.
yeah. and
Yeah.
and that's what amazes me, because and I think, Cap, this is actually high time that you and I are gonna say this. It's always hard to like
Yeah.
have like an equal, kind of like, or I'll be honest, the first person that I saw that caught my attention was Rain on TikTok. The next
Mhm.
day I saw two of you, and I'm like, oh, interesting. And the next thing I know, I'm like down the rabbit hole, right? And I resonated so much with Rain, because I think that, there's like a lot of the way that she is, and the values that she
Mhm.
carry, and the way that she
Mhm.
speaks. it resonated with me. However, Cap on the other hand resonated with you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not
Yeah.
gonna speak for Cap. Go ahead, Cap.
Yeah, yeah. Same with Father with Greg. We saw you guys at TikTok, and then we admire both of you. But then I resonated more sa'yo,
Mm-hmm.
Kai. So, but however, I cannot. For some reason, you're Kyrene eh. Dalawa kayo. Hindi kayo, for some
Unofficial two in
reason,
one.
Kyrene talaga yun. Yeah, unofficial two-in-one kayo. And I think you also said that, Kai, right? Na you're unofficial two-in-one
I don't
sa
remember
bahay
when,
ni Kuya.
I think it was Ate
but
Jazz.
Yeah, but
Ate
I
Jazz
think,
said that.
Yes.
it's Ate Jazz pala. It's Ate Jazz, yeah.
Where
So,
you
it's
going?
like, Father Greg resonated more kay Rain, and ako naman resonated more sa Kai. But nevertheless, uh, because of both of you, this community was
me?
built dun sa, yeah, sa inyong dalawa ni Rain. This homies community was built because of you
Seven.
and Rain.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Although na we have we can relate more sa, like me sa'yo, si Father Greg kay Rain, but yeah, we love you both equally.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's just put it this way. I could never be a solid because I admire both, and 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 I enjoy your chemistry. Let's face it, and the genuine bond that you built. And so the way that I see it is that it may reflect like that sometimes, that we lean towards one person, but the truth of the matter is that doesn't mean that we love the other any less, right? So
Mm-hmm. Yes.
it's
Yeah.
always like, as a homie, that's kind of like, we're trying to like have that balance, and making sure, and I think I'm now projecting it, Guy. Actually, it's more to the people who are listening right now, that they're also aware, because I'm pretty sure there are solids here as well. Um, you might want to greet them, Kai. I think there are Kai mates here, actually.
Hello, are there Kaimates? Hello, Kaimates. Are there Kaimates here? You know what? I'll just shout out everyone. Hello,
Yes.
Kaimates and
Yeah.
homies and sino ba? Mga
Reindeer.
Karenites. Are Karenites here? Sino pa?
Reindeers.
Scrolling.
Reindeers, they're here as well.
Reindeers. Hello. And sino pa nandito? Basta everyone that's
I think some
supporting us.
shippers also.
Yeah,
Hi mga shippers ni Kai. Um, yeah, what's up everyone? And sa mga hindi naman fan ko.
casual
And if you're
listeners.
here, yeah, if you're just
Series.
listening, what's up? Ba't kayo nandito pa? Ba't hindi pa kayo natutulog?
Ah, sanay na po kami.
Hindi, tinatanong niya, Auntie
Ah,
Jane, yung hindi siya fan, ba't nandito
Puyat,
pa kayo?
puyat
Matulog
is
na daw.
life.
kuya is life.
You know what it
Actually, what
is?
are you guys
Huh?
doing here? What time is it there?
In the
In
States?
Hong Kong,
Uh-huh.
In Hong Kong? Go ahead, Auntie Jane. In Hong Kong,
uh, 11:40.
same
Same
time
in
as
the Philippines.
Philippines.
Ah.
Same time.
How about you po? Are you in the Philippines?
I'm in the States. I'm in LA. It's 7:40 a.m.
Ba ayos.
Mm-hmm.
It's 11:40 in here. Ba't ang daming... Wow, there are actually so much listeners.
Well, I mean, why do you think?
You're here.
Hello, guys. You here to listen to us? You guys are so cute. Naglilisten lang kayo.
Shout out to
Yes, we have anonymous listener
No way.
1,383.
That's anonymous.
Yep. Yeah, anonymous
2,000.
How much?
listeners.
2,000.
1,000.
No, 2,000 po.
Now, andito sa akin is
Yung anonymous ata,
1,380.
Ate Jane. Yeah.
Yung
Ah,
anonymous po. So, 2,000 tayo plus another 1,382 anonymous listeners.
Ba,
Shout out,
numbers.
Just waiting for you,
shout out
Kai.
sa Lisigang.
I just
Sa
wanna
li-
say, thank you for listening, mga Kai mates, homies, mga shippers, and also since Rain isn't here, I just wanna say, you know what? After I left BNK, obviously we're all grateful for our fans, the mga solids. But I will take this opportunity right now to thank Rain's solids. Yeah, because I always thank my solids and my fans, but I also want to thank Rain's fans, yung mga reindeers. Kasi,
yes.
you guys don't know how much it makes me happy na every time I see. I just want to say this without the mga delulus, ha?
Oh,
Without. I hope you guys won't
of
find
course.
this message na parang, oh my gosh, Kai,
No, of
you
course
are
not.
so
it's
ano.
okay, it's okay. Go
I
ahead.
just
There's there's
No,
no
no. We
judgment here,
listen, we
Kai.
don't judge.
yes, I just
We
want
listen and
to
we don't judge.
I just want to say na when I left the Bay of Kuya, I always thank my fans, my shippers, but I also want to say thanks to reindeers kasi I didn't even know I was a reindeer pero kasi di ko pa alam yung name ng mga fans ni Rain. But inside the house, I would say the first reindeer. And I
Oh,
yeah,
That's so
I would
touching.
say
OG ka pala,
Yeah.
Kai.
I'm the first reindeer
Yes, you
sa
are.
Wow,
bahay ni
yes, we
Kuya.
know that,
And just
guys.
as you are the first ever reindeer, Rain is also the first ever Kai mate.
Kai mate.
Yes.
Kai
She's
mate.
very vocal.
Yeah.
She's very
Yes.
vocal with yung mga appreciation niya sa akin. And now that I'm in the outside world, I want to thank the mga reindeers kasi you know what? When I was inside the house, everyone was saying na parang Rain, stop doing this and like that. And like you're always the guy like, bruh, no. If only talaga you guys could understand the way I see her. Parang you guys wouldn't think this way. So when I went outside of the house and seeing your mga comments and mga edits on X and TikTok about Rain, I was like, exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking. And I was so thankful that more and more people are appreciating Rain.
Rain.
Talaga. Yun
Talaga.
lang.
Without putting you
Talaga.
on the spot, just whatever you're comfortable answering. What are the three things that you could say, because you said this yourself, that if only she could see herself through your eyes, that she was the greatest person inside that house. What are those three things about Rain? Top three, or doesn't have to be, whatever's in your mind.
I would say I already mentioned it. Well, obviously her values, her mindset, her beliefs, and my favorite part, her selflessness. Yan talaga.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
yes.
Yan
Yeah.
talaga. Period.
Yes.
Grabe.
Period.
And you know what, Kai? Rain said the same thing to you.
Mm-hmm.
What did she say?
Yeah.
What did she say?
What did you say?
Parang para kayong Parang copy-paste kayo.
What? When did she say that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
she said
Rain,
the
di
same
ba?
thing.
When
Yeah.
did she
Copy
say
paste.
that?
She said the same thing.
I don't remember. Did she tell me?
Si-
Um,
Sa mga interviews and yeah, I heard sa mga interviews.
or
Aba.
so, actually, here's the thing with Rain. What I've observed, I don't know if Kai can attest to this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there's a difference between Kai and Rain. Kasi Rain is isang tanong, isang sagot. But she'll do a brief answer, but it's like it's meaningful, right? Meanwhile,
Mhm.
um that's why I always say I'm rain minded, Kai worded, because Kai is very, like, well, I can't be as articulate as Kai, but Kai is articulate, and Rain's the same, but it's just that you can elaborate on the
I'm the
subject.
yapper kasi.
Yun.
I'm the yapper.
So parang
Yeah,
ganun na,
the
diba? Yeah,
yapper.
like she just likes to, like,
Never ending.
Rain is just like, okay, yeah, I'll answer this, whatever. So I think it was in her live. She was in Cebu, and someone asked her the question and said that,
Yeah, live.
describe Kai in one word, and she actually said that on her debut. She said the blessing. So consistent siya. It's a blessing.
Mm.
You're a gift. Those were the two words she actually said. That you're a gift. You're a blessing.
Aww.
Yeah.
Aww.
Aww.
See,
Aw,
Kai mate.
Reina.
Sorcery.
Sige nga kay Reina.
Wait, I'm scrolling. I'm scrolling through the comments. Tapos somebody said, please somebody show this to Kai. Yung in-interview yung Kyra Nights sa Big Night ata to. Sa Big
Oo.
Night siguro. Na
Yes,
parang,
yes.
how do you feel with
Kapag
Kyra? Sorry, that's so funny. Did you see that?
yes, we saw that.
It's so funny. It's so funny talaga kasi Rain was actually the one that showed me this. Sabi niya, Kai, you have to watch this. It's so funny. And then I watched it. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari dito? Ba't nila tinatanong yung mga Kairen? So, kala na pala,
Oh my gosh, that
Kai
video.
Rain.
Oh, okay.
Kala nila How
Yeah.
do you feel about Rain? Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry, I had to say it. It's so funny.
But you know what it is? From from a perspective of a shipper as well. Let's say, it's the other way around. The way that they reacted there, it's like, oh shoot. Like, and actually, they did answer it naman. They answered it naman. Yeah.
Sorry. It's so funny. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Okay.
Are you sure?
I'm done.
Nakakadala talaga yung tawa ni Kai.
Oo.
I have a question for you, Kai. I think the first week when you were inside, you mentioned this to Rain, that she made you feel conscious about the way you laugh. She said something about it. You don't laugh this way before?
No, hindi. It's about a certain, it's more of a chuckle. Like,
Ah.
oh my gosh, now I remember.
Yeah, I know that.
It's more of like
I
a,
know that.
randomly daw kasi, I just go like, like just for a short while. Like, just that.
Uh-huh.
And then Rain judges me. I'm like, oh my gosh, wait, why do you even notice that? Now I'm conscious of So whenever I find something funny, I'll be like, oh my god, I have to shut up or something. Tapos he's like, sorry Kai, you don't have to, man. So whatever na, wala na akong care. Wala na akong care dyan.
Shout out daw sa Lisigang. Do you know sa Lisigang?
Sorry?
Sa Lisigang.
Sa Lisigang.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
What's that?
Like
Ah,
they find ways, nakakalusot, parang ganun.
Ba, video. Ayos.
Yes, video.
Yeah. Ayan na, masaya na
Shout
kayo. Shoutout na kayo, okay?
may
Oo.
pa-definition pa ng name niyo.
Yeah.
Celebrity.
Mhm.
Kai, I would like to say something lang dun
Taong-tao
sa
pa rin si
ano
Kai
pala.
eh.
Someone
Ayun.
commented the video again. Okay, continue.
Okay. Go ahead, Kap.
Kai, I would like to commend both of you, you and Rain, dun sa nakita ko kasi yung video na alam mo yung nag-uunahan kayo mag-video dun sa homies.
Yes.
That's very rare for I actually posted it on
Saan? Ano yun?
X. It's very rare na to find an idol an artist na sila pa talaga yung nag-uunahan mag-video sa mga fans
Ah,
nila. That's
Ako
very
kasi yung
rare. So
nauna.
it's I know.
Oh my.
the block screening?
Ako yung nauna.
yes,
Yeah, dun
yes.
sa black screening.
During the black screening photo.
The black screening,
Good
yes.
photo.
But the point is, kayong dalawa ni Rain, iba sa ibang mga artist. Yung ibang artist, tumatakbo, nagtatago sa mga
Nagmamadali.
fans. Nagmamadali, nagtatago ng face, ng whatever. Kayo yung, hala, nagunahan pa. Kung sino yung, ako yung nauna.
Lol. Ako kasi
I've been,
ako yung nauna.
Oo,
Tapos
siya.
sabi niya,
di ba?
you're so copycat. Like, what? Ako na yung nauna. Siya pa yung nag-dance. Tapos siya pa yung nagsabi na I'm copycat. I cannot believe that. Grabbing kapal ng face, you know?
Yun
My
din
God.
yung common ninyo. Ang napaka-competitive.
Competitive yung dalawa.
Oh well.
Pero yung naiba naman kasi kasi kayo yung very happy to see your fans. Kayo yung nagvi-video sa fans. Unlike dun sa ibang artist,
Sila
yung
yung
ibang
video.
fans, hirap na hirap mag-video, mag-photo sa mga idols nila kasi nagtatago. They would run like a marathon para umiwas sa mga fans. Kayo naman, kayo yung sobrang kilig and hype na mag-video sa fans nyo. So, kudos to both of you. I really
Thank
commend
you.
both of you for being so genuinely appreciative and grateful sa mga fans nyo.
Oh well.
Keep it up,
Thank you.
Kai.
Yeah.
Kasi kaming mga fans nyo, we genuinely love both of you.
Thank you. Well, we love you guys.
And thank you. Ano na nga yung parang mantra ng homies?
Yeah.
Hanggang dulo? Hanggang mag-violet? Ikwento mo nga yan,
I
Kaya-
don't
Kai.
understand those.
Kyrene hanggang dulo, Kyrene hanggang mag-violet. Kyrene,
It's an
yeah, it's an
assurance.
assurance. That we'll be here. You know, we support you and Rain. And this is also to all of the homies out there. We support Kai and Rain collectively and individually. So for as long as Kai and Rain are here in their showbiz journey, we'll be here for them as artists that they are. And we look forward to a lot of things that you guys are capable of doing and showing everyone, especially you, Kai. Are you excited as far as like
Can you elaborate dun sa violet?
you know what?
Kasi hindi
I
alam
think
ni
it's
Kai
like
yung
Kyrene
violet.
hanggang mamatay. Parang ganun. Like you
Wow.
turn
Yes.
blue or you turn purple, I guess, when you die.
Turn
Like
purple.
that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Turn
And
purple.
then the running joke among homies is that we're actually not a ship, we're a submarine. So never kaming lulubog kasi submarine na kami.
I like that.
Walang bababa kasi pagbaba mo, submarine ka, nasa ilalim.
Nasa baba na.
We
Patay
find
ka. Violet ka.
Yeah. And one thing that we've always been clear also, just want to let you know since you're here, I'll take this opportunity that we were here to protect you and Rain at all costs. And that comes from a deep place of love and respect for the both of you. There are instances when our emotions are running high, and I believe it has to do with like just how passionate and emotionally invested we are. But we're just here to always try our very best to rise above it. But at the core of everything, we know in our hearts why we're here. And that's because we love and value you both equally. So, we'll just do our best to show that in pretty much in everything we do.
Mm.
And in a very classy, not
In a
trashy
very
way.
classy, not trashy way.
Real.
And our tagline actually for the homies is to always just put our egos down, Kyrene first. So they're very much aware of that.
Yes.
Because if yeah,
Amen,
if it's
Father
gonna be
Greg.
about if it's gonna be a barda between amongst ourselves, then we're making it about us, not anymore about the people that we actually love and support. So, yep,
Slay. Slay.
slay.
Slay.
Did you have Cebu lechon when you were in Cebu?
Yeah, actually, not not during Christmas, but I did when I uh went back to Cebu for New Year's. Have you ever tried ba? Have you guys tried Cebu lechon?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
so
yeah,
good,
yeah.
no?
Yeah, it's very
Mm-hmm.
good.
Gosh,
It's
goodness.
Very good.
but
So, ang tanong,
mm,
I have tanong.
mm.
When kayo matutulog? You guys won't tulog anymore?
When you actually like, let's say you leave, we're staying. Ganun kami. It takes us hours.
Yeah, I think until 2 or sometimes
Yeah.
4 a.m.
Ba, goodness.
Matutulog ka na?
It's I will tulog in a while.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah,
I just
sure.
before I leave and say I will tulog, um, is there anything else like for to conclude this very nice tambay conversation that we just had?
um,
Dapat pala palitan yung name. Kyren Homies Tambay with Kai. Happy New Year.
since you're here, Kai, I just wanna like might as well just announce to everyone that we're very happy for you and Rain. We got saw the video of the upcoming ABS-CBN music, You Under Star Pop and Rain Under Star Music. So we're very excited about that.
Oh
Oh,
yes.
thank you.
And
Mhm.
Abangan.
yeah, hopefully
Abangan na.
more singing from you. Thank you so much for taking time. We know how busy you are. We're very excited for you. Congrats on everything, Kai. I mean, look at that. Like you already have a billboards, I think, right?
Yeah. The first
The first housemate, yeah.
PBB housemate to have a big, hindi lang yung billboard, huge billboard. So congratulations,
Thank you.
Kai.
Let's all thank God. Amen.
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 Yeah, I think everyone here is just, very, very happy, very excited to be here with you tonight. And it's sad that Rain's not here, but hopefully she feels
Mm.
better na. She was really very matamlay kahapon. That's the first time I saw her actually not as energetic.
Yeah. Yeah. Kasi nagsisigaw pa yan sa stage eh. Tapos,
Hype, hype.
ganun. Yeah.
And then
Pero, let's all pray for Rain's speedy recovery.
Yes. At least yung sa block screening, nalabas mo yung let's go. Kasi hindi mo nalabas yun sa ASAP.
Oo. Yeah. So, anyway, well, lastly, I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's listening right now. Sa mga nag-join. Sa mga nakitambay dito, mga homies, hello, and solids and shippers. Pero right now, I'm took.
It's
I'm
midnight.
a took.
Yeah.
Yes,
No, you've
I'm a
been here
took.
with us for a really long time. This is unheard of.
Two
Yeah.
How long
hours.
have I been here?
2 hours.
2
2 hours.
2 hours.
hours. I've
Yes.
been here for two
We
hours.
started at
We started
10.
at 10.
Yeah.
We've been talking for two
Did it just
hours.
go by fast?
That's
Actually,
crazy.
I've been I've been telling last week. Last week, I think last week. Uh, na ano na siguro pag ano kausap si Kai, ang sarap kausap sa tambayan. Like
So, anong feeling, Auntie Jane?
nakakwentuhan lang.
So, anong feeling now?
Masaya at kinikilig.
Actually, guys, some of the homies, sabi nila, maka-join ka daw sa space, pwede na silang mamatay.
Hala.
Aba.
Pero wag naman.
Oh my gosh. Poor 2K people. Don't die. Don't die. Guys, di na ako magjo-join ng space.
Oy, mag-join ka, Kai.
Aba.
Para mabuhay sila. Kasi pag hindi ka na mag-join, baka talagang mamatay na.
You're very welcome here,
Ayos.
just so you know. So whenever we have space, as you'll always have space in our space.
Yes.
Lol.
um
But yeah, I want to go to eat and thank you for my gosh, we've been talking talaga here for 2 hours.
yeah,
Yes, we started
Yes.
at 10.
podcast na to,
Hala
Kai.
ka! Oh my God. I'm so sorry sa mga
No,
nag-listen.
No, that's
we're
No,
okay.
grateful.
Don't be
it's our
sorry.
pleasure.
We enjoy it.
It's an honor, Kai.
I can't believe
Thank you
I've
so
been
much for
talking for
taking the
2
time.
hours.
Thank you so much. We're halfway
Tawang-tawa
through
si
that
Kai.
monologue of yours on the camera in your last
Yeah.
week's BBB. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us tonight, guy. It means a lot to us, the
Yes.
fandom, and shows that it shows how much you care about your supporters. So talagang from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. And hopefully this won't be the last. Hopefully we get to have you both with Rain here as well next time.
Oh,
How did you get the
thank
clap?
you.
Sino yun? May
That
paklap.
was
I
I don't know what
discovered
else.
the soundboard.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh dang, I should have used it kanina.
Oh my gosh.
there's a soundboard.
Hoy, Kai, ano yan?
There's a
Oh!
soundboard. Bigyan ng jacket yan! Oh my gosh, there's so much pala.
Uy!
Ano pangalan mo? Bigyan ng jacket yan! So cute.
One last question for you. With everything, the business and all that, the projects that you're gonna have, um, if there's one thing that we like to hear is always your perspective on things, your wisdom. Um, what if mag-podcast ka?
Yes.
Lol. I don't know how, actually. Besides, I don't know if I don't kn- yeah, I'm a yapper, pero I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to stick to one topic, you know what I mean?
That's okay.
I always talk about something
Yeah.
and then just branch out to different topics. Like, who's gonna listen to this, bro?
Oh, a lot. Believe me.
Oh my gosh. Lahat kami.
Yeah.
Goodness. Well, I'll think about it kasi sa loob ng bahay, we always talk about it with Reina. We're gonna make a podcast, but we just don't know how.
Oh.
Oh well.
That's awesome. We look forward to that. Yeah, one of the things that we
Okay.
do inside the GDMs is we would like chit chat, and there's like I would say like 5 to 10 topics all at once, and nagkakaintindihan kami. And what we call that is we're Kyrene coded. Like we can actually switch to a different topic just like that.
Lol, that's so us. Like
Yeah.
legit, Reina and I
Right?
would just be talking
Legit.
about something
Yeah.
like
They're
serious,
homie.
tapos biglang
Homies.
tumatawa. Crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting, I don't know, I'm getting distracted.
Bye.
Yeah.
Matulog na kayo.
Why?
Matulog na
Matulog
kayo.
ka na.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Ginising
Matulog
mo
na kayo!
lahat. Paano sila natutulog?
Matulog na kayo!
Oh my
Sumakahon.
Uy, aso.
Matulog na kayo. Okay,
Oh no.
for real. Okay. This is my closing speech. Thank you everybody for attending. Thank you, Padre Greg, Auntie
Father.
Jane,
Father Greg.
Father
Just say
Greg,
Greg.
Greg,
Yeah.
and Auntie Jane and BM Cap, Tita
Tita
Karen,
Karen.
Tita Karen,
Captain.
Auntie Jane. Yeah.
Ate
Oh my
Chin!
God.
Chin! Tsaka
Si Jo.
si Jo.
Where is Joe?
Nalaglag si
Can't
Jo.
find.
Bigyan ng jacket si Jo.
Bigyan ng jacket si Joe! Thank you guys. Thank you for, oh my gosh, thank you for, consuming my time very nicely because I had fun
Oh,
with
that's
our
amazing. That's nice to hear.
2 hour
Yeah.
2 hour conversation. I didn't even know.
Guess what?
So
If you need to tambay next time, just let Tita Karen know. We're here for you.
yes, we'll tambay very soon, guys, on space para mabuhay kayo. And sana next time, andun na din si Rain. So, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good morning na pala.
Happy New Year,
Good
Kai.
morning. Good morning.
Everybody, Kai Montinola!
Happy New Year!
Yay! Nice guys.
I'm applauding myself with a sound wave.
We love you,
Yay!
Nice guys.
Rain and I
Good
love you
night.
guys. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good
We
night,
love you.
Sky.
Bye-bye.
Nice guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Rico.